everyone, good time. Let's crochet this beautiful cloud applique and these tiny raindrops. For this project, I'm using Alice cotton gold yarn and 2.5mm hook size. Let's start. For the cloud, make a slip knot and chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Skip the first chain, make a single crochet into the second chain, and consider you should turn the chains, and there are some bumps behind these chains. These are more chains, and behind them there are some small bumps. I'm going to create my stitches into these little bumps. So, skipping the first chain, into the second chain, back bump, make a single crochet. Single crochet in each chain, back bump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Into the last chain, make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And turn. Continue your work on the other side. Make 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 single crochet into the last stitch. 1 and 2. Round 1 is over. Round 2. Make 1 single crochet in next stitch, or actually my first single crochet. 1 single crochet. In next stitch, make 6 double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the yarn. There are 2 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull it from the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. This is called a double crochet. I made 1 double crochet and I need to have 6 double crochet into this same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the next stitch, make a single crochet into next one. Skip the next stitch and make 6 double crochet into next one. Make a single crochet into the next stitch. Skip the next stitch and into the next one, this one that's right at the corner here, make 6 double crochet. Skip the next one, single crochet into the next stitch. Skip the next one, 7 double crochet into the next one. 1, 2, 3. Skip the next stitch, single crochet into next. Skip the next one and into next stitch create 6 double crochet. And a slip stitch into this first stitch we created our first single crochet. And this is my tiny cloud. For the raindrop, make a magic ring. Chain 2 and create 2 double crochet into the ring. 1 and 2. Now create 2 single crochet. Single crochet, single crochet. Now I need to have 1 treble crochet. Yarn over twice. Insert the hook into the ring and pull up the yarn. There are 4 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the second 2 loops. And yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. 2 single crochet into the ring. 2 double crochet into the ring. 1 and 2. Close the ring and slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet here. This is actually my raindrop. This is my tiny cloud applique. This is behind. And these are the tiny raindrops I have. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!